So I've already just given you this Master Chat GPT PDF with a lot of information that will actually help you use GTP for your actual business. Now, on top of all this information that I've just literally emailed you for free, so if you check your email, you'll find all this information inside there already. On top of that information, you also have this entire masterclass of all these different videos that expands and goes even deeper and deeper than what's in this actual document. So there's all these actual video lessons that I've put together inside of my ultimate membership. All right. So in my ultimate membership, I have so much information, so much training to actually help you and to help you grow your business online and to actually make more money inside your business. And I've even actually put together a lot of different softwares that my company has built, and I've stuck it all here inside this ultimate membership. All right. So I gave you this ChatGPT thing for free. If you want the rest of these videos and you want the entire masterclass, you can actually just check out my membership. I'm going to take you to a page that is just like this, or it's just like this, and we'll actually explain everything that you get. Thank you so much. Everything that you get if you join my ultimate membership. So I've put on this page down below a couple of samples of these videos if you just want to actually check out some of the actual content that's inside there. You can also just click the button and go check out either, like I said, a page that looks like this or a page that looks like this. It's just split testing it, so it's probably one of these two pages that you're going to get that will actually explain everything that you can actually see inside here that I've put inside my ultimate membership. So much information is actually inside here. So if you want to actually check out my ultimate membership, then just click the link below and that will take you inside.